Testimony continued today in the case against Hadi Matar, with the jury learning about forensic and DNA evidence from the months after the attack on renowned author Salman Rushdie. 2 on Your Side's Rob Hackford was in the courtroom, and he has the details.
A light day of testimony down here in Mayville in the trial of Hadi Matar, the man accused of attempting to kill author Salman Rushdie. Now, this comes after 3 witnesses took the stand on Tuesday, hearing from the trauma surgeon that treated Rushdie, testifying about the injuries that the author sustained during the attack on August 12, 2022, including multiple stab wounds and lacerations, telling the jury that Rushdie would have died without emergency treatment, similar to the testimony that were heard from the author himself last week. Now, another callback to the Reverend, who we heard about back on day 1 after handing a knife to the program director of the Chautauqua Institution. He talked about how he was handed that knife by someone in the audience. That was followed by evidence and forensic-based testimony, which continued today on day 6 with a forensic biologist from the Buffalo area talking about analyzing samples of DNA. 2 samples that were specifically taken from a group that was submitted to the lab by New York State Police. Now, that DNA statistically matching to Salman Rushdie. Now, the defense questioning the biologist about some of the complicated processes that go into verifying that DNA samples, especially when there are multiple contributions. 2 other individuals came out of those samples. They were not identified in court today, however. More evidence and more testimonies expected tomorrow, with 1 additional witness coming in from the Albany area. It's unclear if the defense will call any witnesses of their own, or if the man on trial here will take the stand, or if we're going to head to closing arguments on Thursday. Reporting on your side, Mayville, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.